Hello and welcome to my tutorial for my interactive trial pages. I'm Brooke Dibley from Simply Speaking SLT. As you can see, I have my seasonal pack open of my interactive trial pages. However, this tutorial applies to all trial pages packs in my store. Here on my screen, I have the PDF opened in iBooks on my iPad. So let me show you how I downloaded it in the first place so that I could open it there. So I'm going to go to Safari. And on Safari, I'm going to go to the home page of Teachers Pay Teachers. And then if we hit up here, if you've logged in, you'll hit up here and then you'll go to your purchase section, which is right here. Go to your My Purchase section and find this product here that you've downloaded and hit download now. And then we'll go to the next screen and I'll show you what it will look like. So I'm using my receptive language screen as an example here. However, for you, this will show up with the PDF that we're talking about here in this tutorial. And then what you're going to do is hit this little share arrow up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you're going to scroll along until you find copy to iBooks. Hit that and then it will open up in iBooks. Now, you will not have to do this again. When you want to find it, you can simply go to your library by going here and you'll see it there in your library. So let's take a look at this file and how it works in iBooks. So as you can see here, we've got links to the tutorial videos. So if you want to see how a teletherapist would use this, just click here and it'll open up the video on YouTube. And then this is the video here that you're watching now. And then if we click this menu button here, it takes us through to this grid, which shows you a few of the available trial pages. And then if we hit next down here, we can see the next lot. So there's 2 pages and you can navigate using the arrows like this back one here. But we're going to go ahead and open up the ice cream page right here. Okay, so I want to point out that up the top here and the bottom there are actually editable text boxes that you can't see. But if you just tap up here, it will open. Let me show you. Alright, and the reason we've moved down in view is because my keyboard popped up. But let me just write hello and then scroll back up and you'll be able to see that now hello is written up there. And then down the bottom, I'll write again, just so I can show you, and it's written down the bottom. So this is just an example to show you how you can write in target words or instructions for your students in here, or maybe their names or anything like that. So I've gone ahead and deleted those words for now, but I just wanted to show you that that's there. And then you can navigate back to the home menu by clicking here, or click this arrow here to move to the next page. Okay, now when we tap each piece of ice cream, an X will show up as we cross it off. So this is really great for articulation trials or apraxia trials, but you could also use it in a open-ended way. I like to use a dice, and so my students roll a dice. I actually have a dice that goes up to 20, which my students really love to use, and we see who's going to get the highest number. And if we're playing a 2-player way, we'll play that we want to be the person that ticks this last one, this last X up here. So we take turns rolling the dice and we want to be the one that ticks that crosses off that last image. You could also play this way single player, and the student just rolls the dice to work their way through all of the images and essentially finish the ice cream or whatever pictures themes you've chosen. You could also do this with task cards, where the student rolls the dice after they have answered a task card or completed a task on a worksheet. However, for those, I recommend using just a 6-number dice so you don't get through all of these trials too quickly. Okay, I'm just going to go back here and hit this home button because I want to talk to you about all the different themes. So as you can see, these are themed, and I've gone for a seasonal theme in this packet, and I've tried to put them in a roughly chronological order, starting with winter. Sorry, I'll just get rid of that. Starting with winter, and then if we go, then we've got Valentine's Day here, then some spring versions with a Easter one there and a taco one here. We've got 4th of July and then generic Easter. So if I hit next, we'll go through to the next page. And then we've got some more summer up the top here. Groundhog Day, we've got a football one here. And then we go into fall. We've got fall leaves. We've got 2 Halloween ones, an apple one. We've got a turkey one plus a turkey dinner for pumpkin pie one, and then 2 Christmas ones. So I've included the generic, I'm just going to go back here. I've included the generic winter ones for those of you who work in a school or setting that don't allow Christmas themed things. So I've bulked it up with 4 generic winter themed activities, but for those of you who do celebrate Christmas in your school, we've got 2 Christmas themed ones down here. And all the pages work the same as the ice cream one I showed you. So do reach out to me if you have any questions. If we go back to this home page here, I'll just hit back, and then we swipe to the right, swipe our finger to the right so that we can see the page before it. Here are my terms of use. I do ask that you respect my terms of use. This download is under copyright and it did take a lot of my time and effort to create, so please do not share it with others. If others would like a copy, please have them buy it from my store. And then also we have a little bit more information about me, and on this page this is where you can reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, so please do be in touch if anything's not working the way that it should, or you're having any questions about this product. And I hope you enjoy your day in speech, and remember, reduce that prep time and increase that fun. Bye!